Looking to upgrade your Nissan's audio system without the headache of rewiring the entire setup? The amplifier integration harness is designed just for that. Built specifically for select Nissan models with factory amplifiers, this harness lets you bypass the amplifier cleanly while keeping your premium sound system intact. What makes this harness stand out is its simplicity and reliability. At 204 inches long, it plugs directly into your car's wiring harness using a 12-pin connector, powering 4 speakers seamlessly. No complicated modifications or guesswork involved. It's designed to work flawlessly with your vehicle's existing wiring and speaker system. One of the biggest benefits? You get a neat, professional installation that doesn't compromise your car's original setup. If you ever want to revert to the stock system, simply unplug the harness and switch back without hassle. It's perfect for anyone who values both performance and convenience in their audio upgrades. Users rave about how this harness makes the process clean and straightforward. It comes with plenty of wiring to ensure a proper fit, eliminating the frustration of cutting or splicing cables. This attention to detail means your sound upgrade looks as good as it sounds, with no messy wires cluttering your car's interior. Beyond ease of use, the harness is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a reliable solution to bypass your factory amplifier, this harness delivers consistent performance every time. If you're ready to enhance your Nissan sound system without the typical complexity, this amplifier integration harness is worth a look. It's designed to keep your premium audio clear and powerful while simplifying the installation process dramatically. Try it when you're ready to experience a clean, hassle-free upgrade that respects your car's original design. With this harness, you get what matters most: reliable sound, easy installation, and the flexibility to switch back if needed.